By 1943, I had been apprenticed for 4 years, and I had basically completed my apprenticeship, and I was a very good cabinet maker, and I loved it, I enjoyed it. But on my 18th birthday in 1943, I volunteered for the British Army. There was a fair amount of, there was no draft because Palestine was a mandate, mandated by the League of Nations to the British. There was pressure both from the British and from the Jewish agency, which was the Jewish shadow government, to volunteer for the army. The British needed soldiers, and the Jewish agency wanted Jews to be trained looking ahead for an eventual Jewish state.